So we got this Grayl Geopress and we decided to test it out. It's supposed to filter 99.9% of bacteria and viruses out of water. Just kind of twist it and pull. This is the filter that it goes through. This is the inner cup where the filtered water goes into, and this is where you put the dirty water. So we're going to try it in this stream here, as long as they don't fall in. And now we are going to oh, that's actually some clean water. Here. Okay, so you can't really see it, but there's a line here that tells you how far to fill it. Put this in. Okay. Then you turn this a quarter of the turn. Put it on something hard and press. That clean water. You can see the difference. Not bad.